As the sun sets on 2017 and rises on 2018, it's a good time to reflect on the year past and to think about the year that lies ahead of us. Also, to probably make some resolutions that you're not going to keep.
So what you want to do with your life now? Because all we really have is right now.
As far as my YouTube channel, it's grown from 25 to 65 subscribers. I made 13 videos this year. Mountain boarding.
Last one. Number 4 is a lucky number in Korea. No, it isn't.
Traveled to Indonesia to go to Borobudur and Prambanan temples. Went to Surf Camp Lombok. Made a video about Koda's second birthday. I made 4 episodes of Adventure South Korea. Episode 1 was about a bike trip from Seoul to Busan in 2012.
The fanny packs are back. The fanny packs are back. The fanny packs are back.
In episode 2, we went to a mountain bike park.
Did you hit the tree?
Episode 3 saw us learning the skills to rock climb and applying them outside. In episode 4, we competed in the Spartan. Then I rode my motorcycle from Cleveland to Rhode Island, touching the 40th state I've ridden to on my Harley. Did some more rock climbing. Some more mountain biking. We had a beach camp climb weekend. And I competed in a surf contest.
It's t-shirt time.
Yeah, get up, Dan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. Does that count?
It's in a contest. Woo. Dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude.
So what's in store for 2018? I don't know, but I'm gonna find fun where I can, and if I fall, I'm gonna get up and try again.